Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. So as you can tell by the title, we bought a new car, and I got some some sad news. The notch that we've been working on with the ls swap, almost done, by the way, is being sold. So I bought a new notch and I'm selling my old one. Sucks because it's really clean, body super straight, paint super nice. And we're almost done with the swap. Like we just need to basically bleed that that clutch master, slap the drive shaft, finish up the little coolant lines, the vacuum lines, and exhaust up, and basically it was ready to drive. But we bought this one over here, and I know it doesn't look too good in the video. I mean, the body's super straight, it has a little bit of rust here and there, but yeah, I'm about to pop the hood and show you guys what's under the hood. And yeah, it is ls swapped as well. So let me get that hood open. Alright guys, so this is the engine bay of the car. As you can tell, it is ls swapped. So it is basically the same thing as the ls1 with the T56 behind it. Has everything basically done already. I bought the car 2 hours away and I drove it home. It did start kind of smoking. I want to say we have a little oil leak going over here, and it's seeping into the exhaust and it's smoking out the exhaust. If not, I mean, say this is a bad motor, I don't care. I got the car cheap enough where it doesn't even matter. Like I got this car for a good deal. I cannot like turn it down. Like I was talking to this dude for a couple weeks, almost a month, and he had a listed for quite a amount, and I talked him down like $3,000. He said, he was like, bring your own battery and I'll give it to you at this price. And I was like, shit, it's $3,000 less, just bring my own battery. I mean, the reason I went with this instead of finishing this up is just all the things that it has. It has Cobra brakes, full disc brakes back and forth. I mean, the front and the rear's full disc brakes. Suspension's all good. Look at that, it has coilovers. It's a tubbed rear end. It has basically a bigger sway bar. It got a subframe connector. It just has like a bunch of little things that makes it way better just to buy this. Like I want to say just in suspension and brakes, it has like a good $5,000 into it. It already has a power steering all done up. It has wheel width proportion valve. Like I don't even know what this whole thing is called, but I mean the brakes work freaking phenomenal. These brakes work better than my ones on my 300, and that's the Brimbos. So I had to get this one. I mean, it just needs paint basically. I mean, the body's super straight. I'll post a picture of the car how it used to look. It was wrapped at one point. I'll post it right now. And then also, this was like a 10-second car before. The dude had some videos and it was boosted. It went through 2 setups. I think it used to have automatic. It used to what do you call it, be a twin turbo and like a single turbo. And I think he said it was, yeah, 10-second car. So I'll show you the interior. The interior needs some love, but here we go. Got the coated dash, I think it's called. I mean, interior needs some love. Has some newer seats. I'm not sure out of like what kind of Mustang they are at. Has the door cards right there, like some aluminum with some rear seated deletes. Nice weight up here. I mean, it's just a real good deal, and I couldn't not do it, so I had to do it. And the person who bought the notch is my boy Carlos. So if you looked at the drifting little video we made, he bought the car off me, and he's a close friend of mine, so I'll give him a good deal as well. Basically, I didn't really lose too much money on all the parts that I bought for it. I basically kind of broke even, and with this car being such a good deal, I wasn't really tripping about losing like a couple $100, $1,000, and I learned a lot from it too. So a lot of learning experience. And he said that when he finishes it up, I could record. So the car will still be on the channel. I'll still be recording the progress on the notch, on the gray notch. So that car will be finished and running. I'll help him. I mean, I already know the things I've done to it, what it needs. So I'll be helping him with that. And yeah, we'll be notch gang together. It'll be cool. Basically, he's one of my team members and Team 2 Active, so we'll be having 2 clean ass notches. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna connect the battery. I'm gonna try to look at that oil leak, and then I'll give you guys a little startup and maybe a little drive around the block in it. Still waiting on the paperwork. Well, the pink, not the pink slip, the smog to go through. You know this bitch ain't passed no smog in California, but we made it pass. It's basically just a stock ECU with I forget what kind of I don't know what kind of freaking harness it has, but it has like a pretty good harness. I mean, the engine bay's super nice. Just needs a exterior love. But yeah, guys, so I'm about to see if I can find that little oil leak, and then we'll give you guys a ride in it. Oh, they're here to pick up the notch. But Carlos slid through with the dolly. She's gone. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye. Alright, guys, so a couple days have passed by. I've already drove the car here and there, just haven't had a chance to record it. I did want to put my GoPro on and do a little drive around, but I can't find the cable to charge the battery. And yeah, I just haven't been able to record. I'm gonna give you guys a little startup of it right now. The car does have an exhaust leak. Well, I'll put it in the garage to try to fix that exhaust leak. Also, I think I found out why it's smoking. I think it's because the PVC system's all blocked off. So I already ordered a catch can. Hopefully that fixes it. And the car runs super solid, so hopefully it's just that. And I'll probably give you guys a ride along, and well, not an actual ride along. You know what I mean? I'll give you guys some pulls on it on the next video, because I'm about to just bring it in the garage right now, and what do you call it? Lift it up so I could see where the exhaust leak's coming from. Then wait on the catch can, because I don't want to really be driving it smoking like that. Because I've been driving it for like 2 days. I went to a car meet and stuff. I mean, it pulls pretty hard. I mean, there's a lot of little things I gotta, fix. But, it's all part of the process. I mean, it's still a running project, so, yeah. So, I'll give you guys a little startup video right now. As you can tell, you can probably hear that exhaust leak. It sounds really nasty. I hate when the cars have exhaust leaks. It sounds horrible. But yeah, so about to fix that. But yeah, this is basically just introducing the car. I don't know if you heard that big old fuel pump this car has, but it's ready to make some power for sure. It has suspension mods and all that. I want to kind of put it back together, make it look nice before I do anything more. I mean, power's cool enough. ls1 and a light car like this, it's fun. And it's sideways, really easy too. I have a pool on the video. I'll put the pool on this car that my girl's brother recorded when we picked it up. Nothing crazy, just a little pool in the freeway. But yeah, guys, so expect some more in this car for sure. I already got some parts on the way. But yeah, guys, till the next one. It's just a little video showing the new whip. Carlos already swooped the other one up, as you saw in the last clip. And yeah, so expect that car still to be in this channel though. He bought the whole car whole with the swap and everything. We worked the deal out, and I gave him a good deal. So yeah, the car's still gonna be on the channel too. So till the next one, guys.